Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about VARK styles of learning. VARK model is a framework that categorizes learning preferences into 4 types: visual, auditory, reading writing, and kinesthetic. Developed by Fleming. It suggests that people absorb and process information differently based on their dominant learning style. While some individuals favor a single mode, others may benefit from a combination of styles. Visual learners prefer diagrams, charts, maps, and images to understand concepts. Benefit from color-coded notes, infographics, and mind maps. Learn best when information is presented visually rather than through text-heavy content. Auditory learners absorb information effectively through listening and verbal communication. Prefer discussions, podcasts, lectures, and spoken explanations. Retain knowledge better when repeating information aloud or engaging in conversations. Reading writing learners process information best through written words. Enjoy reading books, taking notes, and writing summaries. Learn efficiently by organizing thoughts into lists, explanations, or essays. Kinesthetic learners prefer learning by doing, experiencing, or physically engaging with content. Thrive in hands-on activities, experiments, and real-world applications. Memorize concepts better when linked to physical movement or practical tasks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye.